People are sheep. I want my students to become wolves. Wolves lead, sheep follow.
That's so cool.
Be a wolf. Lead.
Last week, Helen and I spoke to Jeff Tisman to finalise the details of his UK workshop, which we are hosting for him in Manchester on the 21st and 22nd of September. Just speaking and listening to Jeff is so inspirational, and I tell you now, he is putting everything into this workshop. So on the call, I said to Jeff, I think that the best way to get across just how passionate you are and everything that this workshop is about is to actually cut up the recording of what was a private Zoom call. So I am doing this with Jeff's permission, but this is just us talking to Jeff to finalise the details. And honestly, I can't get across just how amazing this will be. This is your chance to learn from one of the very best, the most creative, most passionate, most supportive photographers in the industry. Now, this little video doesn't give any of the surprises away that Jeff has in store, but it will help you see just how inspirational and passionate Jeff is. So come along, join us. We have 4 places left.
Again, it's like your little monologues here. It's like, that's what we need to show to people.
Like I started with a bang. People were like, that's how you start. I don't start, thank you for coming. I take serious. It was so funny. I start the class, I shut the door, and I'm like, everyone up, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm like, you two. I start off right away with that. Get and everyone's like, ah! And like,
my point.
that's how it starts. And then I sit down and I'm
brilliant.
like, how does that feel for everyone? Everyone's like, and everyone's amped up. And I'm like, that's what you bring to your couple. And that's what these people that are going to come, they're going to start doing this. And it's like taking these crazy American ideas and like injecting it into Manchester, That's what it is. No one does this. I booked a job from this. There's people like, how did you even do that? We love the blah, blah, blah. I showed it to the bride. She's like, Jeff, I was so tired. She's like, I love that photo. I'm so glad we did it. And it's like, that's what it is. Start seeing differently. I was worried. It's like, well, I'm not really using a flash for that. So, but I like what you guys have said. It's like, it's not just flash. People are following me. They're having fun and they're doing crazy shit. Again, it's another technique that's so fun. So few people use this. And it just blows my mind because you can literally create insane light, and I could show you guys the photo. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like this rim light of gold light, and it looks like it's like sunset.
This I've not seen this on it.
I'm so excited now because we were bringing you because I wanted to take.
That's what I'm saying. There's like, oh my god, because that's what I was doing. I was like brainstorming with Vanessa. I'm like, oh, I can teach this. I can teach that. Again, I'm not saying, oh, I'm Jeff Tisman, but I can't believe that only 9 people signed up for this. Like, it's just so weird to me. Listen, guys, you're gonna learn so much in one day. This is more than a workshop. This is not just a lighting workshop. This is literally 30 years how I'm still relevant in the wedding industry. People are still booking me. Like, I'm not an educator that isn't booking weddings anymore. Like, you are going to learn more stuff in one day than 4 years of college. I could read the quotes of people, of reviews they've left. I want people to read these reviews from actual people. But that's what it is. It's like, it's so much more than put the flash here. I want to give my couples an experience. It's not just about pouring champagne into champagne glasses and people are sheep. I want my students to become wolves. Wolves lead, sheep follow.
That's so cool. Yeah.
Be a wolf. Lead. How are you going to stand out doing the same thing? Be a leader in the industry. Stop doing what everyone's doing.
I'm going to cut this up like what you cut up. There's things that you have said there which will make such a cool reel.
Does everyone know also they get a mentor session after it as well? Like, I go on with everyone.
No one could listen to this and then not want to go.
Helen is going to be the glue that keeps us together, I think.
Oh, God help us.
So funny. I know, right? You know more than me. It's like, oh, God.